How to check Instagram last seen if hidden. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Instagram application and then tap on this chat icon or message icon, and here you'll be able to see the active status of people. As you can see here, I am able to see that this person is active now, and similarly you'll be able to see the active status of other people, how many minutes ago they were active or their last scenes. And if you are not able to see someone's last scene, this might be due to they have disabled their activity status. This you can do it from go to the settings. First of all, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of a screen, and here you can search for the activity status. So here it's enabled and people will be able to see my active status or my last scene. If I'll disable this option, they won't be able to see my active status or my last scene. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.